Hi, it's Joan. Recently, I've been discussing what to do with hands that look too strong to open a week two or a week three, and yet not strong enough with the high card points to open one. Well, Peter Gill's great guideline suggests that when you have a hand that you'd like to do something with, but you're not sure what to open it because it doesn't have 12 or 13 high card points, add your high card points and add that to your shortages, 3 for a singleton, 5 for a void, 1 for a doubleton, the normal shortage count. So when we are the partner of a person who's made an opening bid, one spade, we don't know whether that one spade opening is 9 points, 12 points, 15 points, 18 points. We're not sure. All we know is that partner chose to open at the one level. So it's been suggested, and I really love the suggestion, that if you open with a weak hand here, partner in this position needs to be aware that the opening bid may not have a lot of high card points. And so with this hand, when you're responding to one spade, maybe your first thought is to bid two hearts. I wouldn't bid two hearts, even if you're not playing 2/1 game force. This hand is not, it's got 10 points, but I would not be bidding two hearts on it under any circumstance, because the hand got worse when you've only got a singleton in partner's first suit. And really, a one no trump response is much better for this hand, because one no trump should always be 6 to 10, or if you're playing 2/1 game force, you can stretch it a bit, 6 to 11, or even a bad 12. So I don't like to be in a forcing position by bidding two hearts. Let's just respond one no trump and see what happens. Partner now shows a club suit. They could be 5 spades and 4 clubs. They could have 5 clubs. They could have 6 spades. All we can go on is that they've got at least 4 clubs. Well, spades are out. I don't think it's a good idea to show your heart suit now, because you don't have 6 cards, and partner may have a singleton or a void in hearts. You have 3 clubs, so that's the best news of all, that partner bid 2 clubs on this hand. I'm going to pass, but the only other option that I would consider is raising to 3 clubs. So I'll pass, and it's not forcing. Once we rebid one no trump, partner's bid is not forcing. And sure enough, they had one of those weak hands where the Gill rule applied, and that is 4 and 2 are 6 and 2 are 8 high card points, 2 singletons, 3 each, so that's 8 and 3 are 11, 3 is 14. They decided they didn't look right to open at 2 spades or 3 spades, so they opened at 1. We didn't know, but we responded carefully, and now we're in a very nice little part score in clubs. So we should make this pretty easily, particularly if we don't touch trumps. So we're going to trump this diamond, but don't touch trumps now. We could play a heart to the ace and then a spade up, but let's just try the 10 of spades. I want to get into trumping some spades in the shorthand. They have correctly switched to a club. Whenever declarer doesn't draw trumps, the defenders should consider drawing them, because we had to have a reason for not drawing trumps. And our reason was we wanted to trump spades, and we want to trump hearts as well, but particularly trumping spades in the shorthand. So they switched to a trump. That's good defense. But ace of hearts, king of hearts next, pitch a spade, discard a spade, trump a heart. Now, trump a spade. Looks like the spades are breaking 6-3-3-1, but we don't know where the ace is at the moment, but this person's produced the king. Doesn't matter, trump a heart and trump another spade. They've trumped, they got rid of their spade. The spades were 6-3-3-1, but now we've got 8 tricks. We can over trump it, and we won't make any more tricks because they're trumping and they will have the top diamond. But we made 9 tricks. We had to make 8, but we made 110. So the main point is we didn't know that partner had such a weak opener of the 1 level, but partner chose to do that, which is fine. And had we bid 2 hearts, partner probably would have bid 2 spades and we'd have left it there. But it was much better to be in our 5-3 club fit rather than a 6-1 spade fit, and certainly not a 5-1 heart fit. So just when you hear partner opening, just be aware that they may not have a very strong hand. And if partner didn't have the clubs, they would have had to rebid 2 spades. So when opener starts and rebids their own suit on another hand, not this one, just be careful because they may not be very strong. Have a great week.